Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do the last method for solving simultaneous linear equations, and the last method is graphical method. So let me tell you, it is very easy and interesting method to solve simultaneous linear equations. Maybe some of you who are interested in graphs will find it the most interesting method to solve simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so let us first see the steps which we have to follow to solve the simultaneous linear equations. So there are 4 steps. I will read them first, and then we will follow these steps to solve two linear equations, to finding their solution, common solution, with the example. Okay, so let's read them first. First step is, first, find the coordinates of two equations simultaneously by substituting the values of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Number 2. Okay, the first step says that we have to find the coordinates of two equations. Okay. As you all know, in graph we have two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. We have z coordinate as well, but for now we only need two coordinates, x and y. Okay. So we are going to find the values for x and y coordinates by putting the value of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, because when we will put the values of x by supposing them equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., then obviously we will find the values for y as well, because we will put the values of x in the given equations, given simultaneous equations, and we will find the values for y for those values of x. Okay, so this was the first step. Now the second step says now plot the points and we get two straight lines. In the first step we have found the values of x and y by putting the values of x as 1, 2, 3, 4, and then finding the simultaneous values for y. And in the second step we are going to plot those points which we have found in the first step. Now the third step is, observe the common point of intersection of two straight lines. Common point of intersection is that point at which two lines intersect. Let me draw that common point of intersection. It somehow looks like that, like this. So this point will be point of intersection, because here two lines intersect with each other. Okay, the fourth step is, in the first step we are going to find the values of points. In the second step we are going to plot those points on the graph, and in third point we are going to observe the point of intersection or common point. Okay, and in the fourth point what we are going to do is, the common point of intersection of two straight lines is the solution of the simultaneous equation. So in the form of common point or intersection point of the two lines, we have found what? Solution of simultaneous equations. Okay, so I hope you have got these 4 points or steps which we are going to follow for solving our example. Let's do the example now. It's going to be really easy and interesting. So we have the example here. Solve the simultaneous linear equations graphically. The first equation is x plus y is equal to 4, and the second equation is x minus y is equal to 0. I'm so sorry. Okay, this one. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Let's solve it. In the solution, we are given two equations, x plus y is equal to 4 and the second one is x minus y is equal to 0. Let us take equation 1, x plus y is equal to 4. Now we will take both equations step by step, and then we will find the values by putting the values of x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., and then finding the values for y. Okay, in both of the equations, not only one equation, because we have to find the points for both equations so that we can draw them or plot them on the graph. Okay, and then we will find the point of intersection or common point. Okay, so the first equation we are going to take is x plus y is equal to 4. Now see, we will rearrange it. X plus y is equal to 4. we are going to put the values for x and find the value of y, okay, for the given x value. So we will rearrange it in this way so that y will be here on the left side, and we will shift x to the right side, and it will be y is equal to 4 minus x. Let me clear the board and write it for you here. That what is our equation now by rearranging the variables and constants. We have made this equation x plus y is equal to 4 as y is equal to 4 minus x. Now one by one we will put the values of x equal to 1, 2, 3. We will take 3 values, okay? So 3 points we will get. When x is equal to 1, here x is equal to 1, so we are putting the value of x equal to 1. So 4 minus 1 will be equal to 3. So for x equal to 1, we have found the value of y is equal to 3. Here 4 minus 1 equal to 3. When x is equal to 2, 4 minus 2, we will get 2. See, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So for value of x equal to 2, then the value will be value of y will be equal to 2. And then when we are putting x is equal to 3, then 3 minus 2, here y, okay, 3 minus 2 will be equal to 1. So when x is equal to 3, then y will be equal to 1 here, okay. So we have got 3 values for x and 3 values for y. 1, 2, 3. X, y. See here, this column is given. These 3 values are for x, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 values are for y, simultaneous or respective values to those values of x. For x is equal to 1, y is 3, x is equal to 2, y is 2, for x is equal to 3, y is 1. So we have got 3 points. 3 points to plot for the first equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Now we are going to take second equation. Let me clean the board as it has been too much messy, and I don't like messy things at all. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to take the second equation, that is x minus y is equal to 0. We are going to rearrange this so that we will put the points, put the values for x, and we will get the values for y. Minus y will be here at the left side, it will remain here at the left side, and x will be shifted to the right side, and as it is positive x on the left side, so when it will be shifted to the right side, it will be converted to minus x or negative x, and this x negative sign will be cancelled out with this negative sign, and y will be equal to x. So this is our equation. Now we will put the value of x as 1, 2, 3, and we will find the values for y, okay. Here it is really very easy by seeing that x is equal to y or y is equal to x. So obviously when you will put the value of x as 1, you will get the y 1. When x will be 2, y will be 2. When x will be 3, y will be 3, because they both are equal. Y is equal to x, okay. So no need to see it, but again I'm going to make it clear for you by showing this to you step by step, okay. So in the first step, x is equal to 1. So here we have written y is equal to x, so y will be equal to 1. See, x is equal to 2, y will be 2. X is equal to 3, y will be 3. Y will be 3, okay. Now let us see the second portion. Let me show you the second portion here. Just give me a minute. Okay, so this is the second portion. Okay, so here y is equal to 3. So for the second equation, what we have got 3 points. When x was 1, y was 1, x2, y2, x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3, because the equation was y is equal to x. Whatever will be the value of x, it will be the value of y. Now we are going to plot these points in the xy coordinate plane. So here I have shown you the already plotted graph, but I will plot it again for you. So we have two coordinates, x and y. This is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate, and we have put some points here like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 till 9 here, negative points here, negative integers -1 to -9, positive points here on the upper side 1 to 10, and negative y values here -1 to -10. Okay, now see, in our first equation, the value were 1 3 2 2 3 1, 1 3 2 2 3 1. One, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. These were the values for the first equation, and for the second equation we have values as 1 1, 2 2, 3 3. Okay, so let us plot these points first for the first equation, equation 1, and these are for equation 2. Okay, for the first equation, when x will be equal to 1, when x will be equal to 1, the this pink line is for the first equation. When x will be equal to 1, y will be equal to 3. See, x is equal to 1 here, 1, but the y will be equal to 3, so this is the point here. See, uh, let me use some other color so that it will be clear. Let us use this color. When x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 3 here. When x will be 2, y will be 2. It will be common point here, 2 2, and 3 1. So x will be 3 and y will be 1. So this point comes here. Okay, this here. We will draw the line here. Here, see, straight line will be drawn here as this pink line is drawn. We can extend it, so we have extended it here. But these three common points, so this straight line will be achieved by the first equation. Okay, it was just for your understanding. Now let me remove it, but let me draw the points again. 3 1. Okay, and now for the second equation, x is equal to y, this one, our points were 1 1 2 2 3 3. X will be equal to always y. Okay, x will always be equal to y, y will always be equal to 1. So when x will be 1, y will be 1. See here, x, this is the blue line. Okay, x is 1, y 1, this point, this one. Oh, okay, and then 2 here, this point, and then 3 3, so this one, and again 4 4 5 5, -1 -1, -2 -2. Here this whole line will be made. Okay, this straight line. Okay, so we have drawn the points, and we are supposing that these lines will be made. Okay, obviously these lines will be made, the straight lines. We have got two straight lines, and now what we have got, the main point is, we have got the point of intersection. We have got the point of intersection here. This 2 2 2 2 is this one. This is the point of intersection. See, this is the point of intersection. This is the common point to both of the equations, for both of the points plotted for both of the equations here. So this 2 2 is the common point or intersection point, common or intersection point. So this is the common solution to our equations x, y variables. So this is the common solution to our equations, given equations. 2 will be the value of x and 2 will be the value of y. This is the solution. So what is written here is the same thing which I'm telling you. From the graph, it is observed that the point of intersection of two straight lines is 2, 2. This is the common point. This is the point of intersection, which is the solution for the given simultaneous linear equations. Okay, so we have got the common solution for our simultaneous linear equations by graphical method, or by plotting the points which we have got from putting the values of x in the first and second equation, and then getting the values of y respective to the values of x. So I hope you have got my point and you have understood what I said in the whole lecture. But if still you have any query or confusion, you can tell me in the comment section. I will definitely help you resolving that. And if you like my videos, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.